Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be working with the R control spelled IR. First, we're going to do some phrase reading. The girl got hurt and saw a nurse. Girl, hurt, nurse have the sound. Turn off the stove before it burns. Turn, burns have the sound. My birthday is on the 1st of November. Birthday, 1st November. Did you get dirt on your skirt? Dirt, skirt has the sound. The first time I served, I got hurt. First, served, hurt. Next year, I will be in 3rd grade. Third has the sound. So now I'm going to say some words and we're going to replace part of a sound and make a new word with a different sound where we're substituting the sound. Let's begin. The word is nurse. Nurse. Replace the n to a p. And the new word is, you got it, purse. The word is dirt. Dirt. Replace the d to sk. And now the new word is skirt. You got it. The word is hurt. Hurt. Replace the t for a re, and the new word is hurry. The word is turn. Turn. Replace the t with a b, and the new word is burn. The word is turf. Turf. Replace the t with a s, and the new word is surf. So the sound card that we're working on this week has been the bird card. The bird card has the ER, IR, UR, sometimes OR. So sometimes you're going to hear the OR for the sound. Now, a rule that you need to learn for this spelling, especially for the IR spelling, the IR can be represented with the ear sound, not ear, kind of ear sound, when another R follows the IR spelling, or when a vowel other than E comes immediately after the IR. So for example, we have irrigate. Irrigate. We don't say irrigate. We say irrigate. So it has an ear, kind of like ear sound. Iridescence has an ear sound as well. Next word. So now we're going to start with our lesson. Let's look at the sounds. B from bicycle. From bird. D from dolphin. Let's read. Bird. Word. Read. Bird. Again. Bird. Next word. Sh from shoe. From bird. T from tomato. Let's read. Sh, t. Read. Shirt. Again. Shirt. Th from thumb. From bird. D from dolphin. Let's read. D. Third. What word? Third. G from gorilla, from bird, from lemon. Let's read g, l, girl. What word? Girl. S from sun, sk from karate, from bird, t from tomato. Let's read. We have a blend. Sk. See the blend? Sk. T. Skirt. What word? Skirt. S from sun. T from tomato. From bird. Let's read. We have a blend again. St. Stir. Like when you stir. Next word. Ch from chair. From bird. P from puma. Let's read. Ch, p. Word. Chirp. Next word. F from fossil. From bird. S from sun. T from tomato. Now we have a blend at the end. St. So that means st. We don't say s and then t. We say st. So let's read. St. Read first. Good job. B from bicycle. From bird. Th from thumb. So remember the th makes the th. So let's read. B, birth. Word, birth. D from dolphin. From bird. T from tomato. Let's read. D, t. Word, dirt. Now you may pause the video and read the words to the students. Okay, so the first word is bird. Let's do the sounds. B, d. B, d. Check your spellings. The next word is shirt. Sh, t. 3 sounds. Ch, t. Shirt. Check your spelling. The next word is third. D. D. Check your spelling. The next word is girl. G, l. Girl. G, l. Check your spelling. And the last word is skirt. S, k, t. Even though we have a blend, they each have their own sound. So we have s in one box, k in another box. Okay? S, k, t. The word skirt. Now you will listen to the high frequency words and then you will write the sentence.